after a very good night's sleep, really good night actually, I'm just taking Daisy out for a walk in the forest, or on the forest track. It's on the very edge of the southern upland way, and the forest itself is in quite bad nick. It's clearly kind of reached its sell-by date. There's a lot of fallen trees and they're just so closely planted together. It's kind of depressing to see, because you just know there's no life, there's no plant life or sort of much sort of animal life in the actual forest itself, because there is just no light underneath. And the Forestry Commission have cleared a lot of it, which looks really scarred on the landscape, but I'm sort of hoping and assuming that they replant. And I think I'm right in thinking that they are going to replant with the Scots pine, trying to reintroduce that more in a more sort of environmentally friendly way. But don't quote me on that. Anyway, we're going to walk and then we're going to head on to Loch Lomond, where we're going to be staying the night and enjoying more forest walk there, and possibly a bit of a barbecue, if it's not pouring with rain. So I have arrived, but it's not at Loch Lomond. It's at the 3 Loch Forestry Drive, because you need a permit this time of year to camp in the Loch Lomond area and this area here, which is near Abergafoyle. So I rang up and I have got a pass, and I asked to be on the most remotest bit of the or at least the quietest area in the forest, which the lady said this was it. Clearly not. So it's actually on just at the exit of the Forestry Drive. So the road, the main road, is just there. I mean, it is pretty quiet, I have to say, but it's not quite kind of how I imagined. I like it remote, and this really isn't. However, I'm going to make the most of it, and I'm going to get Daisy out. We're going to go for a big walk, and hopefully we can still have a little barbecue sort of on the tarmac here later on this evening. And I'm hoping there aren't too many cars going down this road. Birch bark, which I can use later or whenever I have my next little fire. Girl, get him, get him. Well, I've been walking about 4 miles now, I think 4 or 5 miles. It's all on track, it's all on the forest tracks. Perfectly nice, and some lovely views of the loch, or one of the lochs, and I'm getting incredibly hot. So I have actually found a really good spot to have my little campfire this evening, and I will show you where it is. Hey Miss Days, look at you. What's this? Okay. One dog fed. Now to light the fire. Look. Some light catches. potatoes on. That's quite a simple way of getting the bits out of the middle of a pepper. That's much better. Fire's died down a bit and we've got sort of slightly more coals, which is perfect for the sausages. And the peppers are coming on well and the potatoes are nearly cooked. Oh yeah, definitely good to go. Right, I'm going to get tucked in. Looking good. And if you're thinking about poor old Daisy sitting over there, not getting anything, these sausages are quite herby and spicy. So I've got her a little baby bell, which she can have instead. So I've retreated back into the van, into my tent on wheels, and it was getting quite chilly outside, even with the fire, but it was really nice sitting by it. And also a camper van turned up next to mine and my sort of privacy was curtailed. So as I say, we're back in here, all cosy, and tomorrow I'm going to be heading further north, and there will be more videos coming out of my next chapter. But until then, thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next time. Till then, bye for now.